equals to 3 bracket times the son's age. Son's age is x plus 8. Please observe what is going on here. In 8 years' time, son is x plus 8, mom is 4x plus 8. Then, but mom is 3 times as old as the son. So, see mom here, see son. Okay? So, okay, let's solve these word problems. Solution. Number 1, we have a mother is 4 times as old as her son. In 8 years' time, she will be 3 times as old as her son. Find their present ages. Solution. Now, let the son's age be x, because we don't know the son's age, but at least the mother is 4 times of the son. Then we have son is equals to x. Then mother will be 4 bracket son. Okay, so mother is equals to 4x. That is first statement here. We now have as old as her son. In 8 years' time, she will be 3 times as old. Okay, in 8 years' time, so son, in 8 years' time, you have son should be equal to x plus 8. Then mom should be 4x plus 8. Good. Let's go again. The question says, in 8 years' time, she will be 3 times as old. That is, mom will be 3 times. But, we have here, but mom will be 3 times. 3 times the son's age. Okay? Alright, so mom here is 4x plus 8 is equals to 3 times as old as the son. So, see mom here, see son. Okay? So, open the bracket. Here we have 4x plus 8 is equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. Now, collect like terms. Collect like terms. We have 4x minus this 3x crossing equality sign. We have 3x is equals to 24. This 8, positive 8 crossing equality sign, you have minus 8. So that 4x minus 3x will give us x is equals to 24 minus 8, you have 16. And this is for the son. Okay? This is for the son. So the son is 16 years. Now, can we calculate the mother? Yes. If x, which is son, is equal to 16, then mother is equals to 4x, so that we can have 4 multiplied by 16. So mother is, so you have 64 years. Because their ages are 16 and 64 years respectively. Okay, 16 and 64 years respectively. Now, let's solve number 2. We have here the sum of the ages of 2 friends is 40 years. One of these friends is 8 years older. So, let the first be y. Then older friend should be this y plus 8. Now sum of ages we are going to have y plus bracket this y plus 8. The answer is, we have here, the age is, one of them is 8, and the sum here is 40 years. Okay, so this will give us 40 years. Now collect like terms. So we can have y plus 8 is equals to 40. So that 2y plus 8 is equals to 40. And the 2y will be 40 minus 8. Okay, so that 2y is equals to 32. Is equals to 32. Now y is 32 divided by 2, which will give us 16 years. Okay, so older now is equal to y plus 8, which is 16 plus 8. We have 24. Okay, thus their ages are 16 and 24 years respectively. So this is how you can easily solve this type of age word problem. Okay, so remember what we have done. First, designate x or y, any alphabet, as the son. Then the mother is 4 times x. In 8 years, son will be x plus 8. Assuming it was 8 years ago. Remember, this is in 8 years time. Assuming if it is 8 years ago, it will be now minus. So mom is 4x plus 8. You now solve. Open the bracket in right hand side and then collect like terms. X, which is the son, will give us 16 years. Now mom is 4 times x. Okay, so mom is 4 multiplied by 16, which is 64 years. Thus their ages are 16 and 64 years respectively. For the second one, we designate y to be the younger friend. Then older is y plus 8. So sum of it means addition. Okay, if it was product, we are going to put multiplication here. So sum is to add the ages, which is 40 years. Collect like terms. You have 16 and 24 years. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more age word problem and other examples.